Hi there guys, my name is Danielle. You can call me Dani and welcome to my channel. Today we are thrifting. Right now we are in front of Stuff, which is going to be our first location. And yeah, it's kind of cold outside, so we're going to head inside. And I'll talk to you more about it along the way. Alright, let's go. Hi guys, sorry to interrupt this program. But I have a little announcement I want to make. I am what's it called, entering, I guess. I am entering the benefit brow search, so I would really appreciate it if you head to my Instagram. The link is down below and also right here, so you can check it out real quick. And basically what it is that benefit chooses 20 people from the US. I think it's just the US, or it could be around the world. I honestly don't know. But they are choosing 20 people, content creators slash makeup artists, to go to New York and learn how to do brows and such things like that. And the grand prize winner gets a sort of like contract with Benefit Cosmetics. So I know we are a small family, but it could be, boy, I can't talk today. This could be an amazing opportunity for us. So please go ahead and go to my Instagram, click on all my pictures that have to do with my eyebrows, and yes, show the support, tag Benefit, and yeah, it's really exciting just to be nominated, guys. Let's make it to the finals. Let's be one of those 20 people. Okay, thank you guys so much. I love you so much. Back to the regular Dani.
Look at this cute dog. Look at this cute dog. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so we've been in here for like what, 20 minutes maybe now? Yeah. So we've been in here for about 20 minutes already, and literally we found nothing. I mean, I found a set of dressers that I might like to like DIY and like paint up and stuff like that and put in my makeup room, but clothes wise, like the reason we're actually here, nothing. So far a bust. This video is going great. Okay, so stuff with a bust. We are now going next door to something called Crowded Closet. So wish us luck. So we are inside Crowded Closet. It's like another thrift store type thing. This looks pretty bland so far. So the first two places were a bust. Kind of disappointed, but you know, I didn't have high hopes anyway, so we're fine. We're doing great. Next, we are going to Goodwill. Alright, so as you guys already saw, Stuff and Crowded Closets were a total bust. I did not find any clothes there, so my challenge to get one outfit from each place was already over, and yeah. But thank goodness Goodwill was a huge success, so let's go ahead and try some on. Alright, so the first thing that I got from Goodwill is this very beautiful navy and white dress. It's very cinched at the breast area, and then it like flows downwards. So that's what I like. I like these types of dresses because they're nice and flowy at the end, and it reaches just above my knee. So it's like a great like picnic dress, or like out on the town on like a nice walk or something. I don't really know. But I thought it was cute, and yeah. So this is the first thing that I got from Goodwill. It's from a brand called Honey, and I got it for $4. Next from Goodwill, I got this pencil dress. I'm not the one much for pencil dress, but I thought this looked kind of cute. It goes kind of above the knee. I think this would be cute, like a nice little out of the town, like nighttime town dress, you know, going on like a date or something like that, or I don't know, like looking cute at like a random quince or something. But yeah, I like it, but it's not something I would typically wear, but you know, out of the comfort zone. This is originally from Gap, and I got this for $2. Next, I got this really cute orange and white striped dress. It's very like picnic-like, very summery. Love that. But I'm not one for sleeveless, so I thought if I paired it with one of my jean jackets, it would look super cute. So that's what I'm excited for this one about. I think it kind of makes my breast look a little too big, but you know, that sounds like a personal problem, so this is originally from Maurice's, or I don't really know how to pronounce the name, but it's originally from there, and I bought it for $8. Last thing I got from Goodwill is this beautiful long sleeve purple shirt. Technically it is a shirt, but you know, since I'm short, it counts as a dress, so that's nice. But it's really nice and flowy. I like it. I like how it's just like nice and flowy, so like on my bloated days or something I can wear this and, you know, feel pretty still. And I love this like built-in scarf type thing, so love that for me. And definitely still gonna wear this as a shirt because I am very not comfortable with how short it would be as a dress. The whatever thing, the snip is snipped off the back, so I don't know exactly what brand it was from, but they said it, you know, what they guessed it was, but I don't remember what they said it was. But yeah, this is unknown. But I bought it for, how much was it? I think I bought it for $7. Alright guys, so we are at our last location, which is Plato's Closet. Now I have been in Plato's Closet before, but I've never shopped here because your girl loves to shop, right? But unable to keep her, you know, closet big and going, she needs to sell her clothes. So I always like donate / sell my clothes here. And yeah, this is a good place to go donate and sell your clothes. Hashtag not spons. But let's go see if we can get a outfit. Last stop we went to was Plato's Closet, and that one was also a very great success. I first got this dress. It's sort of like a dirty pink color. I don't really know what kind of color to call it, but I thought it was really nice because it's definitely not like pink, which you guys know I hate pink. But it's really pretty. It's cinched at the breast area and then it flows down like I usually like them. But it does have these little holes here that's supposed to be with a belt, but this didn't come with the belt. So I'm probably just going to cut these off because I usually don't wear belts. But yeah, it's super cute. It goes up to my knees, so I love that for me. But yeah, this is the first one, and this is originally from Rue 21, and I bought this for $2. The next item is actually a really out of the comfort zone type one because I never wear these. It's actually a jean pencil skirt, and it's in black. And what's even more uncomfortable is that it has a huge slit in the front, not on the side, in the front, and it literally ends like right here. Like the purple shirt that I got from Goodwill, it's really, you know, it's pretty revealing down there. But I thought it was still cute, you know. Definitely not like a church type skirt, but you know, if I ever feel like wearing a skirt instead of like a pair of shorts or something, that's what these would be for. And then I paired it off with this shirt, over the shoulder shirt. You guys know I love over the shoulder shirts, and it's kind of like a plaid navy and white pattern, which I love. And I just ate, so it's a little tight, but usually it's really nice. It feels very good, and you know, it's cute. I like it. This one is from the brand SO. I don't know like what their full name is, and I bought it for $1. And the shirt is from a brand called Morana, and I got this one for $3. Next is this beautiful red shirt. It has these, it like rolls up, not rolls, but like it cuts up. There we go. It cuts up on the sides, and then it stoops like lower in the front and the back, which I love, especially when I'm wearing like leggings and stuff. And yeah, it even has the cute little bell sleeve that I like, and I don't know, I really like this one. This one is from a brand called I Genuine, and I got this shirt for $5. Next item I'm really excited about because it takes like a lot for me to like a romper, and I really like this one. It's very beautiful. It's like shorts. I usually don't like the short ones, but it has like the shirt top that like flows out, so it's kind of like a mini dress, but except it has shorts with it, and I really love it. I really love like this steep neck, so like if I wanted to, I could do a little revealing, or I can wear like a nice bralette there and cover that up. And I don't know, I really like this one, and I'm excited to wear it out like on a date, or like I don't go to clubs, but like if I did, I would be wearing this. Or, you know, I would wear this like if I'm out with my friends for their birthday, or maybe even a quinceañera or something. Like, this is super cute. You cannot tell me this is not cute. This one actually doesn't have a brand on it, but it's super cute, and I bought this for $7. Aww. Alright, and then the very last thing I got from the whole haul and from Plato's Closet is this beautiful romper. It is blue with navy stripes, or I mean it's white with navy stripes. And it has pockets, which is probably the best thing out of this. But it's really beautiful, and I love how it has this like this nice little fringe here, and the bell sleeves, you guys. Oh, bell sleeves, they always get me. But yeah, I thought it was really cute, and it kind of flatters me a little bit, so I'm good. But yeah, this one is actually from American Eagle, and I bought this for $14. A little more expensive than the other stuff, but I mean, I thought it was kind of worth it, especially since everything else was like definitely under the $10 range. So yeah. Alrighty guys, that's everything from my thrifting haul. This was a great experience because I never ever been thrifting before, and you guys know I have this little phobia, not necessarily a phobia, but I just have this like weird anxiety feeling that I can't wear other people's clothes because, you know, I don't know where it's been. So once I take this off, I'm going to wash these like 6 times. Then I'll feel comfortable of wearing it. And then of course I'm gonna wash myself about 6 times, so then I can get this, you know, that cleaning sense again. But yeah, this was actually a really nice experience. I'm glad Connie was there to help me and was, you know, a really great camera girl. So if you guys want to check out her Instagram, she's really great. I'll leave her down below, and leave a comment down below if you go thrifting, or if you've gone thrifting before, or if you're like me and you're scared to go thrifting. I don't know if I would do this again super soon, but I might try it again some other time. You know, I do say it takes a lot of patience because unlike regular stores, the Thriftings, they only have one of everything, and they're kind of like bunched together, so you can't necessarily see it like facing the wall and whatever. But yeah, it was a nice experience. I'm glad I went out my comfort zone and tried this. I'm glad I was able to record it so that you guys could see this. And yeah. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below so I know. And if you're not already, subscribe to my channel. I post every Friday, and hit that bell notification so that you know when I upload my next video. And then if you guys are watching this for the first time, I do a bunch of random videos. I'm not like a makeup guru, I'm not a beauty guru or anything like that. What I like to say is that I go through life with a baked face. So I'll do like makeup things, I do vlogs, I guess I'm a try-on haul type of person now. And I do, you know, like regular hauls and stuff like that. And yeah, I'm really appreciative of you guys, and thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing, and I will see you guys next Friday. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notifications. Make sure to give this video a like and follow all my social media. The links will be down below as usual. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you next Friday.